Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents 4 Eid special desserts. Kale ka halwa, my mum's special. In a mixer jar, add 2/3 cup sugar. Add 10 to 15 cashews, 10 to 15 almonds, 2 tablespoons pistachios, 6 to 7 green cardamom seeds and 1/4 piece nutmeg, 1 teaspoon edible gum. Grind it in a fine powder. Remove in a bowl. Keep aside. Add 1 tablespoon pure ghee on off flame. Do not turn on the flame yet. 250 grams grated coconut. Add ground nuts and sugar powder. Add 200 grams khoya. Break it. Add 1/4 teaspoon yellow food color. Add pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons raisins. Now turn on the flame. Keep mixing. Cook on low to medium flame. Keep roasting 8 to 10 minutes. 1 tablespoon crushed pistachios. 1 tablespoon crushed almonds. Mix well. At this point, add 6 large bananas cut into 4 pieces. On low flame, mix with gentle hands. Bananas are very delicate, so mix gently. Otherwise it will break. Our delicious halwa is ready. Dish out. Garnish with chopped nuts, raisins, pistachios. Do try this my mom's style halwa recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. Garnish with khoya, optional. Dudi ka halwa. Take 3/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon edible gum, 1/4 nutmeg piece and 5 green cardamoms, 12 to 15 cashews, 10 to 12 almonds. Grind it in a powder form. 1 kilogram whole bottle gourd. Remove the skin and seeds and grate it. Please make sure dudi is not bitter in the taste and always keep peeled dudi in water to avoid it getting black. Roast well. If your bottle gourd leaves water, then dries it. Roast well till it turns transparent. Cook 12 to 15 minutes on low to medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon pure ghee, 1 pinch of green food color. Roast well 5 minutes. Add ground nuts and sugar powder. Again roast well till sugar's water dries out completely. Now add 1 pinch of salt, ½ cup mava, 1 tablespoon chopped pistachios, 1 tablespoon crushed cashews. Combine well. Sprinkle some almonds. Add 1 tablespoon raisins. Dudi ka halwa is ready to serve. Garnish this lip-smacking halwa with mava and nuts. Do try and share your valuable feedback in the comments section below. Gajar ka halwa. 1 kilogram washed and peeled carrots. Grate the carrots. In a pan add 1 kilogram grated carrots. Roast well. If your carrots leaves water then dries it. Keep sautéing 10 to 12 minutes. Add 3/4 cup sugar. Combine well. Add 1/4 cup pure ghee. Cook it till water dries out completely. Quarter teaspoon nutmeg powder. 1 pinch of salt. Add 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder. Add 2 tablespoons chopped cashews. 2 tablespoons peeled and chopped almonds and pistachios. Add 200 grams mava. Mix well. In another pan take 1 to 2 tablespoons pure ghee. Add 1 tablespoon edible gum. Fry well. Grind or crush it. Add ground edible gum in halwa. Here you can also add 1 teaspoon of white poppy seeds. Cook for 2 more minutes. Sprinkle some chopped nuts. Lips smacking gajar ka halwa is ready to serve. Dish out. Must try this gajar ka halwa recipe and thank me later. Sheer kurma. Take 50 grams sugar. Add some pistachios, cashew and almonds. 5 to 6 green cardamom seeds and 1/4 piece nutmeg. Grind it. Boil 1 liter milk. Add powdered mixture. 3/4 cup condensed milk. Keep stirring and cook until milk is reduced. Add 1 tablespoon pure ghee. Add chopped pistachio and almonds soaked in water and peeled. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add raisins and mix well. Transfer it into the milk and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon pure ghee and 25 grams roasted sebai. Fry 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Add it in the milk pan. Let it cook 10 to 15 minutes to reduce the consistency to become creamy. Delicious sheer kurma is ready to enjoy. Garnish with fried nuts and saffron. Serve hot. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.